Hi, you guys. These are all the babies. Alright, so they weren't having it. But you see my baby? Oh, she my little sweet baby. She my little chunky monkey. She my big fat girl. My big fat girl. Why are you scared, mama? So today's video is gonna be dog treats. That's why my baby's up here. Alright, well those were my babies. I love them so much. And I love them so much I want to make them snacks all the time. And I want to feed them all the time. They love their snackies. So for this treat recipe, snack recipe, it's 2 ingredients. It's oatmeal and it's like baby food. I picked out chicken noodle, I think, for them. And for the oatmeal, it's 1.5 cups of oatmeal. So let me go get my ingredients and then we'll show you how to make these dog treats. Alright, so I have my food processor here already. There's 1.5 cups of oatmeal in here. And I'm just gonna grind it up. So you want to give it a little grind and then you pour. Ugh. You pour your baby food in there. It's two 4-ounce things of baby food. I got them chicken noodle because they like chicken. I almost got them like a sweet potato one, but I wasn't sure about sweet potato. But for sure they like chicken. You like chicken? How about me? I see you. You're staring at me. She's so cute. I love my doggies. Hope I've had for 6 years, I think. I got her. Oh, actually, when my cousins gave her to me, two of my cousins. Who was it? Adriana and Bianca gave her to me. She was a cute little puppy. She was a little chunky. So cute. And then Andy's actually one of my sisters, and she couldn't take care of her anymore. So I took her in. So there you go. I got baby food and the oatmeal thing, and I'm gonna run it on high. Okay, I think that's good. It's very incorporated. Oh, let me pull it out. As you can see, it's like really incorporated already. It's like a little like puree texture. So we're gonna spoon this out into a baking sheet and then we're gonna put it in the oven. You have to put it in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes to bake, and then let it cool before you give it to your dogs. So I'm gonna scoop this into the tray and then put it in the oven, and we'll see you back when they're cooked. Okay, you guys, so the treats are done. If you're wondering why I'm sitting on the floor, it's because this is the only way that they're gonna hey, stop. This is the only way I'm gonna be able to give them all together and feed them, because I don't want to carry them. So they take like 10 to 12 minutes. They're already cool off. I put them in the freezer real quick. They smell like biscuits. They smell like pot pie or something. It smelled better cooked than they did like out of the thing. That was nasty. They look disgusting. But look at the Andy's shaking. She wants them so bad. Oh, I made a look like a little poopy. So I'm gonna split them because they're pretty big and see how they like them. Who wants a snack? Who wants a snacky snack? Alvin, sit. Paw. No, sit. Paw. Good boy. Look at Andy. Look at her. Before she gets a snack, she licks her lips and it's so cute. Andy. Ooh, there's the lip licking. He's giving me his paw because he wants more. This is Andy's. Andy. Ooh, I knew she's gonna run away. They always grab a snack and they run away and then they come back for more. Hope, come here. Hope likes to dance for her food. Watch. Alvin, stop. Hope, come here. Alvin! Look at. Oh, it's a little chicken. Who's that little chicken? Here, mommy. Ooh, give me your paw. No, sit. I think they like it and they came back for more. Did you already eat it? You didn't even chew your food. You're gonna choke. So I think they like it because he keeps trying to give me his paw. So I can feed him. Albie. You guys, I kind of want to try them. Is it girls? That was bland. It didn't taste like anything. It wasn't girls, but I just couldn't swallow it. So they obviously like them. Look at them. It's just so stupid. Love you. Do you guys like your mommy's snacks? Yeah? Kissy, kissy. Besito. 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 Hey. Besito. Hope. Besito, mommy. Besito. Oh, now you guys don't want kisses? They like it. I think this was a win, you guys. I'm gonna make this for them all the time. Because it's a little healthier. I know it's like only 2 ingredients. And if you can feed it to babies, I mean, sure, it's fine for dogs, right? Like, they wouldn't give bad stuff to babies. Right? Yeah? Right? Yeah? Who wants more snacky snack? Who wants more snacky snack? Damn. You want to say hi to mom? You want to say thank you to mommy? Yeah? You're excited, aren't you? You're so excited. Come here, mommy. Alright, well, that was my recipe on my 2 ingredient recipe for dog treats. My dogs love them. I hope your dogs love them too. And if you guys, if you make this for your dogs, send me pictures of your dogs. I really don't care if they like this. I just want to see people's dogs. Dogs are so cute. Yeah? Look at them. Oh, this is a hit. So thank you guys for watching. This was my recipe. Well, not my recipe. I actually found it on Pinterest. For dog treats. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys make it, let me know. Or show me your doggies. I want to see what are you doggies. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Do what you gotta do. This is I'm sorry, they're staring at me. This is A Petite, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.